All right, so Windows 10 1903 is now broadly being deployed. That was updated as of September 26, 2019. And this video is creating a offline login and account. I just attempted this. I've installed many versions of Windows over many years and just made the mistake of setting up the Wi-Fi when I was installing it. And if you connect the internet during the setup, you will have to disconnect the internet to create an offline account. Now, if you have an onboard Wi-Fi module like I did, no matter what you do, you're now stuck logging in with Microsoft. So what I had to do was literally disconnect the onboard Wi-Fi module to turn the power back on and continue setup as an offline account. Then once you do that, all the privacy things that you want to turn off and Windows experience and all that is what you've probably seen. But creating that offline account is not possible if you set up Wi-Fi on the machine unless you physically disable it. And I'll just turn the camera over to the PC just to show you that I literally had to unplug it in order to continue the process. So this is just the garbage, outdated HP PC that I got for free, and here is the Wi-Fi module that is built in that I had to physically disconnect in order to continue setup. So I hope this video helped. It's surprising that you have to be that drastic just to continue setup with an offline account, but Microsoft is really pushing these new sign-on requirements and what have you. So if you had Ethernet configured, you could unplug it, restart the computer, continue with the installation process. It's going to, after your keyboard layout, realize that you'll see it up the top. It says something like basic, and then it goes to network, and you'll see it try to go there, and it'll detect that you're not connected. But if you have like a Wi-Fi card, like a PCI or something card, or a built-in module on the motherboard, it's going to have to be disconnected if you already went ahead and set up your Wi-Fi login. It retains that in memory, and restarting the computer will not help that. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate your time. Please leave a comment down below. We're all about sharing knowledge and bouncing ideas off of each other. That's what YouTube's all about, and that's what my channel's all about. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. And if you want to stick around for some more, please subscribe. Again, appreciate it. See you on the next one.